Taking a look at MATIC. So we are actually at a pretty crucial point right now, because if you actually compare it to back here, you can see that MATIC had a pretty nasty dump to the 618, and right after that, it actually blasted out of here. However, if you zoom in again, you can see that from this low to the high, you once again tagged to 618 and then blasted out of here. So the reason this is relevant is because if we fast forward to now, you can see from this low here to the high, yet again, you're sitting on the 618. So ideally, for MATIC to be bullish, you would like to see it form a bottom here at about 58 cents, which is in fact the 618. Now, obviously, if we end up losing that, as you can see that this 618 is acting as resistance, then MATIC is going to have much more selling come in and most likely crash all the way down to 44 cents. So 44 cents would be the next support to watch for in the event that the selling picks up. And if we end up zooming in, we can draw another smaller time frame fib like this and say that MATIC is technically bearish until it gets over 65 cents. Okay, so you can see from this low here to the high, or the high to the low, you hit the 382 and now it came back down. So ultimately, something like this would probably be the most bullish scenario for MATIC. Obviously, if we end up breaking through that level, like I said earlier, then 44 cents is probably the next support to watch. Until MATIC gets back over 65 cents, it is technically bearish. And in the big picture, if you zoom out, you can draw a downtrend like this, and you can see, depending on when it happens, the 83-cent 618 will ultimately confirm that MATIC has put in a higher low bottom on the bigger time frame. So once MATIC, assuming it does at some point, if and when MATIC gets back over 83 cents, that will confirm that there is a bottom, and you, again, as I started the video, set up for something like this. So that's pretty much it. As always, none of this is financial advice.